get you some. Oh yeah. Mate, it's lucky she can cook. Wow!
G'day lovelies, welcome back. Tonight we're making deep fried prawns with honey sauce. And this is one of those recipes where we get everything prepared first. So the first thing we need is 500 grams of prawns raw with their tails on. So I bought the I&J brand from Coles, and this week, and I think tomorrow is the last day you can get them on special, they're $12 a bag. So last night I pulled them out the freezer and put them in the fridge to thaw. Now I'm going to tip them into a strainer. I'm going to run some cold water through them to clean them. I'm going to sit them on a big bowl and stick it back in the fridge until we're ready for them. So tonight I'm going to be serving them up on a bed of my basic fried rice. So I made a batch up yesterday and I put some into these foil tins so I can heat them up in the oven while we're doing everything. Now if you haven't seen my basic fried rice video yet, I will put that at the end of this video. And I have also made a video on special fried rice with Chinese barbecue pork. If you haven't seen that before, I'll also put that at the end of this video. So I'm going to bang that in the oven on low to warm up while we do everything else. Now I've got a plate with some paper towel and tongs ready to go. I've got my electric wok out and I've put 3 cups of canola oil in there. But you can use any oil you want, and 3 cups is a 750ml bottle. Now we need to get some spring onions and sesame seeds ready to go. So when you've got your honeyed prawns, to put sesame seed and raw spring onion on top, oh my god, it is a match made in food heaven. So I'm going to get my spring onions and I'm going to slice them thinly on an angle, and then they're ready to go. So tonight for the honey sauce, I'm going to use the same sauce as I use for my honey chicken. I normally use ketchup, but tonight I'm going to try it with tomato sauce. Now this Aussie Farmers tomato sauce is really nice and sweet, so I'm hoping it will go perfect with it. Now for the honey, I'm going to be using Gummaraka honey, which I used to always use in the past, but now they've got them in 3 different flavours. And tonight we're going to give the mallee a crack. So into a medium saucepan, we need half a cup of plain white sugar, 2/3 of a cup of honey, and oh my god mate, I just tried it and it is friggin' yummy. Half a cup of tomato sauce and 4 tablespoons of white vinegar. Now we want to just stir them in really well together. We now want to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Now mix that through. Now we want to sit it on the stove top. We want to put the heat on in between medium and high, and we want to bring it up to a boil. We want to stir it the whole time. As soon as it starts to boil, we take it off the heat and she's ready. Okay, our sauce is now ready. I taste tested a little bit and I think the tomato sauce is going to work perfect, but I won't know for sure until we smash a prawn. Next, we want to get a bowl and we want to put some corn flour in there. And set that aside. Now for the batter, into a jug we want to crack 1 egg and whisk it up. Then we want to add 1/3 of a cup of water, 1/4 of a cup of milk, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we want to whisk it all together. Now into a bowl we want 1/2 cup of self-raising flour and 1 teaspoon of plain white sugar. Now we want to pour our jug in and whisk it all up until smooth. Now we've got everything ready to go. I'm going to turn my wok on. I'm going to put it on high, and then once I turn it on to high, I'm going to turn it down just a little bit so it's not full bore high, but it's really close. Alrighty, once the oil is hot enough, we've now got our clean prawns out ready to go. So all up, I added an extra 1/4 of a cup of flour, so it ended up being 3/4 of a cup. So into our corn flour, shake it off, into our batter, let it drain off a little bit, and then bang them in there. So you're going to flip them over after half a minute or so. And as soon as they're a beautiful golden brown colour, out they come. Like that, looks absolutely yummy. So what I've done is I've put the sauce into something small. Now it's gone a bit cold because I've been messing around with everything. But when you do it, your sauce will still be hot. So when the sauce is hot, it's thinner. So I've worked out the best way is to get your prawn, dip it into the sauce. Now normally that will drain off a lot quicker if it was hot. And then sit them on our bowl. Oh mate. Then we sprinkle the sesame seeds all over them. And then the spring onion. Well, there you have it, lovelies. Deep fried prawns coated in honey sauce. Mate, they were absolutely Moorish. So you only see me cooking 3 up. That was just because I was testing the batter. After that, I cooked them up in batches of 6 because that's how many I was serving. With the honey sauce, that was only about 1/3 of it in that little mug. I ended up putting it back into the pot and heating it up, and it coated all 50 prawns. And the one batter coated all 50 prawns. So the correct recipe is written below. And I cannot wait for you to give this one a crack. Your whole family is going to love them. Now, if you don't want to serve them on rice, you can always put little bowls, fill them with some sauce, and just put the prawns on and just let everyone dip and go. Thank you all so very much for watching. I will be back a little bit later tonight with a dessert, so I will see you all then. Toodles.